The first one is background. Apple is one of the most successful company in history. Apple powerful brand support by strong advertising and marketing capability. Apple Inc. ability to design and develop proprietary hardware, software, application, and service allow the company to introduce unique innovation, easy to use product and solution for its customer.
Behind all that, there are their employees who work so hard for making all those stuff. So that's why we're going to dig in how result control in Apple Inc. Before that, let's talk about the result control theory first.
Results control create meritocracies. In meritocracies, the rewards are given to the most talented and hardest working employees, rather than those who with the longest tenure or the right social connections. In results control, there is prevalence of results controls. Result controls are commonly used for controlling the behaviors of employees at many organizational levels. And in results control, there are 4 elements of result controls. First, there is defining performance dimensions, and second, measuring performance, third, setting performance targets, and fourth, providing rewards. And next, in results control, there is conditions determining the effectiveness of result control. First, there is knowledge of desired results. Second, there is ability to influence desired results. And the third is ability to measure controllable results effectively.
And next is company profile. Apple Inc. is an American multinational technology company headquartered in Cupertino, California that designs, develops, and sells consumer electronics, computer software, and online services. It's considered one of the big 4 of technology along with Amazon, Google, and Facebook. Apple was founded by Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. Apple owns a YouTube channel where they release advertisement, tips, and introduction for their devices. And this is the history of Apple Incorporation from 1976 till now. And the Apple product is Mac, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, HomePod, and software. Apple developed its own operating system to run on its devices like iOS, macOS, tvOS, and watchOS. And the last is electric vehicles. According to the Sydney Morning Herald, Apple wants to start producing an electric car as soon as 2010.
Now we are going to talk about the result control in Apple Inc. Apple Inc. uses some ways to increase their result control. One of them is providing their employees' needs. Apple Inc. as the company of course should fulfill their employees' needs. Also, Apple Inc. satisfies its employees by providing them safety needs such as job security, retirement benefits, and a safe working environment. But basically, Apple Inc. provides their employee needs based on Maslow hierarchy theory, which are psychological, safety, love or belongings, esteem, and self-actualization.
And the next is targets. Basically, Apple set their targets for employees as maximum as possible, which means this can be included in defining performance dimension. Apple Inc. employees are highly motivated to accomplish their task goals which give direction to people in their work. The proper setting and management of goals within Apple Inc. helps to clarify the performance expectation in the organization. And the next is rewarding. Apple has providing rewards by giving bonus based on merits, performance bonus, both for managerial staff and other employees. First is offering to some employees in retain raise up 25% based on review on store operation. The second is employees get an annual 25% discount when they purchase an iPod, computer, or iPad. The third is Apple software is 50% off, and the last is company also offers other discount for family and friends depending on the product.
Next one is motivation on employee. People are able to motivate their employee to not only doing their job effective and efficiently, they also make sure the employee enjoy doing it. To achieve things, Apple use intrinsic and extrinsic reward. Intrinsic motivation use internal reward to motivate their employee. Extrinsic motivation use external reward such as money, gift, and recognize to motivate the employees.
Now we come to the conclusion. Based on our findings, there are some reviews say that the working condition or the working environment in Apple Inc. isn't good as they say. So we think that even though Apple gives so many bonus on their rewarding to the employees, but if the working condition or the working environment doesn't make the employees feel good, it won't gain the good result control.